I want you to meet Afro Latina Ochy Curiel. She was born Rosa Inés Curiel Pichardo on March 15, 1963 in Santiago de los Caballeros, Dominican Republic. Ochy is a lesbian, feminist, academic, researcher, anthropologist, and singer. Ochy states that her identity as a lesbian is more of a political one than a sexual one because it provides her a unique lens and experience in this world. She's also very vocal about us thinking about the ways that we can decolonize and move away from institutionalized activism and feminism. She is a part of Grupo Latinoamérica de Estudio, Formación y Acción Feminista, which provides free resources about Black and Indigenous people who have always been fighting for a world free of isms. Ochy is on a mission to help queer up the world a bit more, help people understand that they're the experts of their own experiences, and decolonizing the way we think.